Hak jingkala ka bakraw ka bayade bat kasan perthei hapo ka jalaw nong thawan barem jong kaseng Congress uba Ronnie v Lyngdoh ulalit penyaso yalade bat kaseng National People's Party ni ka NPP hak Sngewbha hak jing rekhe ka balalong hak yingsa jong menteri rangba ka jala. Da ka bapenti kina bala pendep dut ya barok kam ki badan kambat baladep itu ru daud lampang ka jala uba Lyngdoh lo ong bakara jong u kalami hadien bu uladep ya mir jingmut Sngewbha bat kinong kershan jong u ki baladawai ka roi kapar habaro Pdiang. Da ka bakenta je ki jing keno shim kabu la Pynjur ba om shem la bu lupai kinu ki kendon hak bayadei bat ka jing pet seng jong u. Menteri rangba ka jala upade presiden ka seng NPP Konrad ki sang ma ulap Pdiang Sngewbha ya uba Ronnie Lyngdoh da ka ba ong ba ka de jingkala ka ba kraw tam na ka benta ka melim constituency. Ula kubur bat Pdiang Sngewbha ka jing a jing kershan jong MLA barem ka seng NPP uba Hamlet San Doling na ka benta uba Ronnie Lyngdoh na ka benta ka baha ka miat jong ki ba. Konrad ula penti kinaru ya jing shim kya jong kaseng NPP hello ka jing teli bat ka jing sinshar na ka benta ka roi kapar da ka pen pau ya jing shanya scam ba ka jing wanrung jong uba Lyngdoh kan nang pen klan Shuh ya ka jing temu jong kaseng habaro ka wei ka jala Meghalaya.
Who talked and talked and talked, but we've had a leader now who talks less but walks the talk and works. And for your information, I was surprised, and of course I must be grateful to Madam Ampreen and of course Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Bob Preston. They've earmarked, and I think I'll encourage some of my people also, sir, to take up lilium cultivation. The Chief Minister has allotted 240 crores over 3 years for people to take up lilium farming. Yes, and mostly the best part is in our area. So we need leaders like our Chief Minister. We need leaders like Bob Preston. I've raised so many issues in the House, especially regarding the roads, regarding the nightmare that we face day in and day out. And Bob Preston has always responded, and I'm sure now I'd request him in front of my people to expedite the Lao Southern Road also, so that, when there is traffic jam, of course, this year's a should in the House, and these are the kind of leaders that we want to talk to, we want to work with, because the people deserve it. We are there to serve the people, and I think the people deserve it, deserve good leadership, and that is what compelled me to join the National People's Party, because I've seen under this party, I think our state will progress. And we are discussing, Madam, that floriculture business is a multi-billion-dollar industry. Why can't Meghalaya be part of it? And of course, under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, we can achieve. If he can get just 10% of the market in the world, and I think that will do wonders for the socio-economic condition of our people. People Party was guided by a sincere desire to ensure stability and continuity in governance. With this move, I also seek to secure the necessary support for the various developmental initiatives, schemes I have initiated through my proposals, initiatives that I believe are essential for the growth and welfare of my constituency and of the state as a whole. The step was not taken for personal or political convenience, but to ensure that the work we have started reaches its intended goals, and the voices and needs of Millennium are translated into meaningful action. I am confident in this regard that the dreams we have envisioned together will be cherished and realized. I also understand that every big decision takes time to show results. Like good plans needs time to grow, joining the ruling party is a step that allows those plans to develop in the right environment so they can bring real and lasting change for the people. To those who have followed me all these years, thank you. Hublai Shibon. To those who have even changed parties just to stand by me, God bless your courage and your group. And to the NPP members and units of Millennium who have been loyal to the party for a long time, I say this with folded hands. Please accept me as one of your own Let us work together. Let us keep our egos aside, personal differences aside, and bring our ideas to the field for the benefit of the people. My family, what can I say? They are my support, my strength, and my loudest critics.